Hello friends, I am Laxman from Rajaram Bapu Institute of Technology, Islampur. This video is on robotics and I will be talking about motor driver IC L293D. Motor driver IC L293D plays crucial role in the field of robotics. For every movement of bot, motor is required, and to control this motor, the L293D IC motor driver IC can be used. Let me tell you about L293D motor driver IC. L293 motor driver IC acts as an amplifier to drive the motor. If we connect motor directly to the controller, then the current required is not sufficient to the motor. L293D is a typical motor driver or motor driver IC which can allow DC motor to drive on either direction. L293D is a 16-pin IC which can control a set of 2 DC motors simultaneously in any direction. It means that you can control 2 DC motors with a single L293D IC. H-bridge. To change the direction of motor, the basic principle used is that H-bridge circuit. H-bridge circuit is circuit which allows the voltage to be flown in either direction. As you know, voltage needs to change its direction for being able to rotate the motor in clockwise or anti-clockwise direction. Hence, H-bridge IC are ideal for driving a DC motor. Let the current is from S1 flows from S1 to S4. Then motor rotates in clockwise direction, and if the current changes its direction in opposite, then voltage also reverses and motor may be rotated in anti-clockwise direction. This is the pin diagram of L293D. L293D is a 16-pin IC. There are 2 enable pins, pin 1 and pin 9. Pin 1 acts as an enable for motor which is connected to left hand side, and pin 9 acts as enable pin for right hand side motor. If these pins are at low condition, then there is no any functioning in the motors. The another pins are input pins from controller. Pin 2 and pin 6 at left hand side, and pin 15 and pin 10 at right hand side. The motor are rotated on the basis of input provided across the input pin, that is logic 0 or logic 1. Let we move towards logic table. Let's consider the motor connected on left hand side output pins, pin 3 and 6. For rotating the motor in clockwise or clockwise direction, the input pins has to provide with logic 1 and logic 0. If pin 2 equal to logic 1 and pin 7 equal to logic 0, then motor rotates in clockwise direction. If pin 2 equals to logic 0 and pin 7 equal to logic 1, then motor rotates in anti-clockwise direction. And both the pins have 0 or 1 value, then the condition of the motor goes in ideal condition, so there is no any rotation. The internal means digital design of L293D. L293D is act as an amplifier. The external power supply is given to the pin 8, that is from 4.5 volt to 36 volt, and this is transistor level circuitry, and which is controlled by the input given from the controller, that is logic 1 and logic 0, and the circuitry from left hand side which controls the motor which is connected to left hand side, and circuitry which is at the right hand side which controls the motor connected to right hand side. Pictures. Why it is widely supply voltage range from 4.5 5 volt to 36 volt. Separate input logic supply current half edge drivers. Internal ESD protection voltage from 4.5 volt to 36 volt. High noise immunity inputs. Output current 1 ampere per channel designed to drive inductive loads such as relays, solenoid DC and bipolar stepping motors. Peak output current 2 ampere per channel. Output clamp diodes for inductive transients. Each output is complete totem pole drive circuit. Suppression with Darlington transistor sink. The application of the L293D are widely used in industry as well as academic products as the stepper motor drivers, DC motor drivers, latching relay drivers. Hence, the motor driver IC plays a crucial role in the field of robotics. It is mainly used for driving and controlling two motors simultaneously. Thank you for watching this video.